Do you wake up around 3 a.m. wide awake and you just can't go back to sleep and you know you're tired, you're exhausted? Well, in today's video, I'm going to help you do some exercises on the rebounder with some gentle music to help women over 50 have a better night's sleep. All right, let's go. Let's just start with a little basic health bounce, pressing down on the mat. Engage the core, relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Soften the knees, they are slightly bent, pushing down on the mat very gently. Bring your arms up and down. Again. One more time. We want good breath work. We want to relieve some stress. We want to focus also draining that lymphatic system, because how many of us carry inflammation in our body? We all do, right? All right, just keep the health bounce going. Now bring your arms out to the side and just do some gentle circles to the front. And gentle circles to the back. Good. Now bring your arms down. Continue with the health bounce. Make sure you're about shoulder width apart and those knees are slightly bent. We do not want to put pressure on the knees or on the back. All right, just continue that. Breathe in, breathe out. Anytime you need to get water, stop and get water. We need to stay hydrated. Good. All right, now bring your arms up to the top. This is like reaching to heaven, and we want to do some little movements like this. Stop the bounce. And down. Now little twists. Very gentle. Little twists. Now sway a little bit. Reach toward heaven. All right, slight. We're going to do some squats, very slight though, just little bits, little squats. Heel digs to the front. Very gentle. Now toes. tap. Back to heels. Good. Shake that out. Get all the stress out. We want to also make sure you are exercising earlier in the morning or 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. You can try to do that. Be consistent about 3 times a week. If you have trouble sleeping, if you have trouble staying asleep, if you wake up every single morning early, 2 and 3, try some gentle bouncing to some soft music. All right, now just very gentle. We're just going to do a walk in place. Just like that. Swing your arms. Engaging that core. Tighten it like somebody hit you in the stomach and keep it tight the whole time. Bring your arms back up and down. Now circle one at a time. Okay. Good. Stretch out. Yes. Very good. All right, now put your legs kind of a little bit further than shoulder width apart, like this, and just kind of gentle rock back and forth. Soft knees. Rocking, go side to the other side. Look down. And up. Down to a squat, and you're going to grab the trampoline, squat down, push the hips back, grab the trampoline, squat all the way down, and up. Let's do that again. Squat, grab the trampoline, and one vertebrae at a time, come up. Good. Now we're going to do some stretching, sitting down. Okay. Lay back. Bring your legs up. And down to the floor. Bring one leg up. Twist. Stretch the back out, the legs. Straighten your leg. Let's do the other one. Up. And stretch that hip out. out. Come up very gently. Step back on the rebounder. Good. And stretch your pump. Blow the air out. Again. Hug yourself. Give yourself a big hug. Put your hand on your heart. Blow all that air out. Yes. And thank you so much for joining me on Rebounding with Cheryl for this quick exercises that help relax your body and sleep better, especially for women over 50 that are in menopause. Yes, and make sure you stay hydrated. See you next time. Bye.